Hello, my friends. Welcome to my YouTube. This bangled
bracelet.
This bracelet is a really cool, but it's so pretty. My mom made it for my friend.
What are the things on it?
The flowers.
So spring is already here. Let's make one floral bracelet. I mixed magenta pearl and white together to get a pinkish color. I took very little amount of clay and I mixed with the hand first, then I used the pasta machine. Then I made it into a log and cut few slices. Each of these slices gonna be a flower. Roll them into drop shapes. Time to make flowers. Use toothpick and a craft knife to form petals. This is bit tricky. The clay brand matters a lot. If you are using SCULPT 3 kind of very soft clay, you will not get the desired results. The petals should be really thin. Patience is the key for best result. Keep doing until you get the flower in good form. Once you're done with the flower, cut the stem portion and give the holes, and keep doing as much as the flowers you want. Suddenly I had a feeling of adding violet color flowers like lilacs. So I'm mixing white and purple color together. Let's make some violet flowers in the same way. Bend the flowers backwards for a natural look. Cure these flowers in a preheated oven. Chain has a clasp already on it. I cut it 5 inches long. These are the other materials we needed for the bracelet. I add one tiny pearl on the headpin and then the flowers. Similar way, I prepared more dangles with the glass beads. Let's start attaching the beads and the flowers onto the chain. After filling all the links with flower or bead dangles, we have more flowers left. We will add those on the upper portion of the link. Add one jingle to the bracelet using a gem ring. Not satisfied with the appearance, so I thought it will be better with some green pearl. Feel free to use your own color patterns or designs as you want. It is not necessary to follow exactly what I do. Voila, it's ready. Will you try making this kind of bracelet for you to wear in the spring? If you do that, please don't forget to tag me on social media. I will be so glad to see your creation.